Hello, my dear students. So, today we are going to study the parts of hibiscus flower. Yes, my dear students. So, which is a complete flower with both male and female reproductive parts. So, my dear students, I am going to dissect it and showing you different parts of flower. Students, I am taking this hibiscus flower because it is very easy to see the different parts of this flower, my dear students. So be concentrations, see it very nicely the video. I will show you the very properly dissect it and showing the different parts, my dear students. So please keep watch the video very nicely, my dear students, up to the last, and be attentions. You see all the parts of the flower, my dear students. So keep watch. First, students, my dear students, see it very nicely. The flower petals, you just see with a very nice flower petals. My dear students, first I remove first sepals. Yes, my dear students, first sepal are removed. So sepals are the first part of flowers and its functions, my dear students, its function to protecting developing flowers. Yes, my dear students, see the functions very carefully. So all the sepals together are called calyx. So please students remember these things. So see all the sepals, I kept it in a separate way. Now the colorful petals. Yes, my dear students, colorful petals, you see petals are removed after the sepals. So it is very attractive parts, my dear students. It is very attractive parts of flowers. Yes, my dear students, petal is the color part of the flower that makes it attractive and gives it very colorful shape. You see the petals give it shape. It is also protect the inner part of the flower. Yes, my dear students, the petal you see are the bright and colorful part of the flowers, and they make the flower look attractive. They attract insects also. So petals attract insects, and all the petals together are called corolla. Yes, my dear students. So spelling very properly all the things and see the parts very nicely, my dear students. So all the parts I dissect. You see, students, pestils. Pestils is the female reproductive parts of a flower. So it has three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. So I will show you, my dear students. Please keep watch. Students, you see the long tube like structures called style. See the long tube like structure called style, and there is yellow color are the anthers of the male part of the flowers. Now the style of the flower is split opens and the ovary is removed. The ovary is open to reveal the tiny ovules. Yes, my dear students, see tiny ovules are inside the ovary, as you are already seen the diagrams. So now student, you see here pistils having the three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. So stigma on the top, there is a sticky structure called stigma. Now petals, all the parts you see here very separately I placed. So like that students, you see here petals removed, sepals removed, all the parts is separate. So I kept it in a separate and a very nice, and all the names you already, long tube like structure, you see long tube like structure called style, and the yellow part also there color are anther, are the male part of a flower. So you look at the picture, look at this very nicely students. You see the flower, all the parts, sepals first, you see sepals in a very nice way I separate it. Next parts, so sepals you know very well. So petals are attractive parts of flowers. Petal is the color part of a flower, and you see it's give it shape, and it also protect inner part of a flower. So see the petal very nicely colorful, and it attract insect. So now students see here filament. You see very nicely the filament which is separated, and anther also. Okay, so next is stigma and style, the pistils, and now you see students ovary. So ovary, ovules, observe it very nicely, my dear students. So all the parts is dissect very nicely. Hibiscus flower, so because it is easy to see the different parts, my dear students. You see ovary, ovules, you get it lot of ideas, my dear students. You see the parts. Next you see students, next you hold together, you see every parts. Here is the sepals, ovary, ovules. Here is stamen parts also, like filaments, anther, and pistil parts like stigma, style, and petals. So parts of hibiscus flower, it's completely here in a separate way. You observe this, students, you get a lot of ideas. So parts of a flower, and step by step I remove first sepals, and then petals are removed next. Then styles of the flower is split open, and then see students, the ovary is removed, and then ovary is open to reveal the tiny ovules. So these all thing in the dissections of all the parts you observe, students, which will be helpful to you to recognize each and every parts, my dear students. So see the parts and practice the diagram, students, all the parts, and labeling also. By recognize the parts, you can label it very nicely, each and every parts with their proper names, spellings, and everything you have to correct. Now see students, here also stamen, anther, pollen are male reproductive cells, and filament. So students, practice well of the diagrams. Male part of the flower, female part of the flower. So this is the male part, and today in this video we get a lot of ideas about all the parts. Okay, so in you practice, students, the stamens parts, anther, filament, proper location. Yes, my dear students, proper locations very properly you practice many times in your copy. Okay, so I hope it is clear from the today videos everything. So once you try to practice all the diagram in a very nice way. Here again you see the pistils, stigma, style, and ovary, and the stigma on the top, there is a sticky structure called stigma. So at the starting of the video already I introduced this with a very nicely dissect it all the parts. So I think it is clear to you that where is the stigma, where is the style, and where is the ovary. So it is very helpful to you to recognize all the parts, my dear students. So when you practice the diagram, you can label it very nicely, proper point to point label, students. So this is the important in the diagram. So that's all for today class, students. I hope it is clear to you all the parts. Please practice well of the diagrams and observe the parts, each and every parts you observe very carefully, my dear students. So thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe, and practice well. Students, subscribe this YouTube channel so that you can get a proper notifications on times everything. So thank you, students.